Welcome back to the Auto Paradise, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of agile street fighters with a close look at the 2025 Yamaha MT-03. Known for its sleek design, spirited performance, and rider-friendly dynamics, the MT-03 has earned a solid reputation as one of the best entry-level naked bikes on the market. Let's find out what's new in the 2025 iteration and whether it lives up to the hype. Design and styling. Yamaha's dark side of Japan design philosophy is in full swing with the 2025 MT-03. The bike's aggressive styling remains a standout feature, with sharp body lines, a sculpted fuel tank, and a futuristic twin LED headlight setup that gives it a predator-like appearance. The new color schemes for 2025, including an electrifying cyber silver and the bold midnight black, add a fresh touch of sophistication and vibrancy. Another notable design update is the redesigned tail section, which is now sleeker and paired with a compact LED taillight. Overall, the MT-03's aesthetics perfectly blend aggression and elegance, making it a head-turner on city streets. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Yamaha MT-03 is its proven 321cc parallel twin engine, tuned for an exhilarating balance of power and smoothness. Producing 42 horsepower and 29.6 Nm of torque, the engine offers punchy acceleration, making it ideal for both urban commutes and spirited weekend rides. Yamaha has retained the lightweight trellis frame and low center of gravity, ensuring nimble handling and stability. Paired with the updated suspension setup featuring KYB upside-down forks in the front and a preload adjustable mono shock in the rear, the MT-03 offers exceptional ride quality, even on less than perfect roads. Technology and features. The 2025 MT-03 comes equipped with a host of modern features that enhance the overall riding experience. The updated 5-inch TFT display is now brighter and more intuitive, providing essential ride data and smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. Yamaha has also included a new quick shifter system, a rare feature in this segment, allowing for smoother gear changes without using the clutch. Safety is another highlight, with dual-channel ABS and improved braking performance thanks to the larger 298mm front disc brake. Traction control is now standard, providing added confidence during slippery conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Yamaha has designed the MT-03 with rider comfort in mind. The 2025 model features slightly revised ergonomics, including a more upright handlebar position and wider foot pegs, reducing fatigue during long rides. The seat is plush and contoured, accommodating both the rider and passenger comfortably. The bike's lightweight construction, tipping the scales at just 169 kilograms, 373 pounds, makes it accessible for beginners and experienced riders alike. Its compact dimensions and manageable seat height of 780mm ensure that riders of all sizes feel confident at a standstill or on the move. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Fuel economy is another strong suit of the MT-03. The bike achieves an impressive 24 to 26 km/h, 56-60 mpg, making it economical for daily commuting and extended touring. Its 14-liter fuel tank offers a respectable range, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops. With its agile handling, compact footprint, and punchy performance, the MT-03 is equally at home in congested city traffic and on twisty back roads. Price and competition. The 2025 Yamaha MT-03 is priced competitively at around $5,599 USD, making it an excellent value for the features and performance it offers. It faces tough competition from models like the Kawasaki Z400 and KTM Duke 390. However, the MT-03 stands out with its refined engine, superior build quality, and Yamaha's legendary reliability. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha MT-03 continues to be a benchmark in the entry-level naked bike segment. Its aggressive styling, spirited performance, modern features, and rider-friendly ergonomics make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to enter the world of motorcycling or upgrade from a smaller bike. If you're seeking a machine that combines performance, practicality, and a whole lot of style, the MT-03 deserves a spot at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into the Auto Paradise. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest bikes and cars. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious. End of script.